I'm going out for a walk with my son, RJ. We're going out to Botanical Garden. He's going to ride his scooter. I'll be walking alongside with him. Alright, so let's go. Are you ready? Okay. RJ enjoys riding his scooter. And where's Koi Koi? Alright, and where's Pa?
He's in the house.
Okay.
Doing his work.
Alright. Garden over there, so that's where we're going. All right, so we're ready to cross.
Yeah, one.
Right, let's go, babe.
Whoa.
See, there are a lot of people riding their bikes and scooters. Hurry up, my love.
I didn't turn it on.
Just push it.
Alright.
You okay?
2 seconds.
Yep. Actually, it's a very nice day for a walk, isn't it? All right, let's go. Look, it's okay, just go scoot. I'll be right behind you. What's really nice about here in Botanical Garden, because they have 3 lanes. So this is the red one in the middle is for bicycle. The green one are for the joggers. Well, I'm walking, so I have to be on this side, the bricks. Actually, the Botanical Garden, hi babe. The Botanical Garden is so big. We'll give you a tour next time when
It's very big.
it's very big. When the trees will grow back their leaves, and when the grasses are green again. But for now, we'll just show you when we are like walking and having just a quick walk this afternoon. I'm actually so happy to be back in my running shoes again. And you know, you wear comfortable clothes. It's really nice. So this is the entrance of the Botanical Garden. You can see there's Nur-Sultan. There's supposed to be like a lot of flowers over there, but wait until it's summer. So Botanical Garden is the biggest garden here in the capital city of Kazakhstan. We'll definitely show you and give a thorough tour of Botanical Garden in our next video. I will show you the
Pond.
pond. Actually, it's not a pond, but this is where all the snow have been. Probably they place all the snow here, and it turns out to be like a pond. Rafael, no, it's muddy. It's muddy. Ooh. All right, babe. Okay, it's actually getting very chilly now, so RJ and I will head home. All right, so thanks for joining us on our walk. Me walking, RJ riding his scooter. Did you enjoy today, babe?
Yeah, I'm cold.
It's getting cold. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Also, the wind was so hard when I got up there. When I tried to do that, I just like.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised